In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily turn on screen time passcode on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings. Then tap on screen time, and that's where you can set a passcode. All you have to do is just scroll down for a bit, and if you don't want anyone to change these settings, you can set a passcode by hitting at use screen time passcode, just like that. Then it will prompt you to send a screen time passcode. Just don't make it too obvious, like 1111. These passcodes can be easily guessed. And once you have entered and confirmed the passcode, it will ask you to enter your Apple ID. Then hit at OK. Then enter Apple ID password, and then hit at OK again. That's it. I have just set screen time passcode on my iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.